arises, where will you go?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम खाना कब बनाओगे?
Now the question arises, when will you prepare food?
Okay, good. Now मोहन वाजपेयी.
सर एक कंफ्यूजन थी, अगर ये क्वेश्चन वर्ड बीच में आते हैं तो उनको ऐसे सिंपल ही बनाते हैं ना?
ऐसे सिंपल जैसे तुम कहना चाह रहे हो कि व्हाट यू डू ना?
यस सर, व्हाट यू विल डू.
देखो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन उठ रहा है ना. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस. अब यहाँ पर अगला सेंटेंस शुरू हो गया. जैसे तुमने कहा व्हाट विल यू डू, इट्स अ क्वेश्चन. वो वाली फीलिंग है यहाँ पर, इसलिए क्वेश्चन वर्ब पे हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगा.
ओके सर.
है ना? चलिए मोहन वाजपेयी. अब प्रश्न उठता है तुम घर कब जाओगे?
Now question arises, when will you go to home?
नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, व्हेन विल यू गो टू होम. अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम क्या करोगे?
Now question arises, what will you do?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम कैसे आओगे?
Now question arises, how will you come?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम क्या बोलोगे?
Now question arises, what will you speak?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम कहाँ रहोगे?
Now question arises, where will you live?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम खाना कैसे खाओगे?
Now question arises, how will you eat?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम कैसे रोओगे?
Now question arises, how will you weep?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम कब सोचोगे?
Now question arises, when will you think?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम आओगे?
Now question arises,
तुम कब आओगे?
you
तुम
will
कब आओगे? तुम कब आओगे?
when will you come?
ठीक है. पूजा.
यस सर.
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम गाना कब गाओगी?
Now the question arises, when will you sing song?
When will you sing a song? अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम खाना कब बनाओगे?
Now the question arises, when will you cook food?
When will you cook food? अब प्रश्न उठता है कि मम्मी तुम्हें कब पीटेंगी?
Now the question arises,
हाँ.
when will mommy beat you?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम कहाँ जाओगे?
Now the question arises, where will you go?
Where will you go? अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम क्या बनाओगे?
Now the question arises, what will you make?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम कैसे रहोगे?
Now the question arises, how will you live?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम क्या करोगे?
Now the question arises, what will you do?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम नहीं जाओगे?
Now the question arises, you will not go.
ठीक है. अंजलि चौरसिया.
यस सर.
अब प्रश्न.
Sir,
हाँ.
Sir, it is necessary that कि अब प्रश्न उठता है कि बाद में इंट्रोगेटिव ही आएगा.
हाँ, क्वेश्चन उठेगा तो इंट्रोगेटिव आने की संभावना ज्यादा है. मतलब वो बनेगा इंट्रोगेटिव में है. अब प्रश्न उठता है तो यानी क्वेश्चन उठ गया, और क्वेश्चन उठ गया तो मतलब आपका अगला सेंटेंस क्या होगा? इंटरोगेटिव होगा. ठीक है. अंजलि चौरसिया. आप प्रश्न उठता है.
जैसे मतलब अभी आपने कहा था कि अब प्रश्न उठता है तुम नहीं जाओगे, तो
नहीं,
मतलब
तुम
ये
क्यों
तो
नहीं जाओगे?
नहीं.
ये सेंटेंस होना चाहिए. अब प्रश्न उठता है तुम क्यों नहीं जाओगे? नाउ द क्वेश्चन गेट्स अप, व्हाई विल यू नॉट गो?
ओके.
ठीक है. अंजलि चौरसिया. अब प्रश्न उठता है कि लॉकडाउन कब तक लगेगा?
Now the question arises, when will, सर कब तक लगेगा?
Till when will lockdown be imposed?
Sir, once more.
Now the question gets up, till when will lockdown be imposed? अब प्रश्न उठता है कमलेश सर क्या पढ़ाएंगे?
Now the question arises,
Now the question arrives कहाँ लिखा है? Arises लिखा है या gets up लिखा है? अब प्रश्न उठता है तो now the question या तो लिखा है gets up या तो लिखा है arises.
Now the question arises this,
एराइजेस दिस कहाँ से आ गया है?
Sorry, sir. Now the question gets up.
कमलेश सर क्या पढ़ाएंगे?
What will read? What will teach?
What
Kamlesh sir.
will कमलेश सर टीच? What will कमलेश सर टीच? अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम क्या करोगे?
Now the question gets up. What will do? What will you do?
हाँ, अब प्रश्न उठता है कि खाना कौन बनाएगा?
Now the question gets up. Who will cook food?
Who will make the food? अब प्रश्न उठता है कि खाना कैसे बनेगा?
Now the question gets up. How will prepare food?
कैसे बनेगा? अब प्रश्न उठता है कि खाना कैसे बनेगा? How will food
Now the question
be-
gets up. How will
food be prepared? अब प्रश्न उठता है खाना कौन बनाएगा? चलो इसका बनाओ।
Now the question gets up. Who will make food?
हाँ, अब प्रश्न उठता है खाना कौन नहीं बनाएगा?
Now the question gets up. Who will not prepare food?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम क्या करोगे?
Now the question gets up. What will you do?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम कहाँ जाओगे?
Now the question gets up. Where will you go?
अब प्रश्न उठता है मैं क्या सोचूंगा?
Now the question gets up. What will I think?
What will I? ठीक है, सृष्टि तिवारी।
यस सर।
अब प्रश्न उठता है मोदी क्या बोलेंगे?
Now the question arises, what will Modi tell?
What will मोदी स्पीक कल को बताना होगा।
आयु और
अब
बहनों।
प्रश्न उठता है कि मोदी लॉकडाउन कब लगाएंगे?
Now
अब
the
प्रश्न
question
उठता है कि
arises.
मोदी ये लॉकडाउन कब लगाएंगे?
Now the now the question arises, when will Modi? सर लगाना का
When will
Impose
मोदी
lockdown.
impose?
सर इम्पोज ही होगा इसका भी।
When will
When
मोदी impose?
will Modi
When will Modi order for lockdown?
when will Modi order for lockdown?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि हम लोगों की पढ़ाई कब शुरू होगी?
Now the question arises, when will our studies be started?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि हम क्या करेंगे?
Now the question arises, what will we do?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम कहाँ जाओगे?
Now the question arises, where will you go?
ठीक है, रुखसार। अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम्हें कौन पीटेगा?
Now the question arises, who will beat you?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम्हें कौन बताएगा?
Now the question arises, who will tell you?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम क्या करोगे?
Now the question arises, what will you do?
कुछ करने का तो प्रश्न ही नहीं उठता। अरे ये पढ़ाया नहीं। अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम क्या सोचोगे?
Now the question arises, what will you think?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम कहाँ जाओगे?
Now the question arises, where will you go?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम क्या करोगे?
Now the question arises, what will you do?
अब प्रश्न उठता है कि तुम कहाँ जाओगे?
Now the question arises, where will you go?
Okay, good. Now the topic is, should lockdown be or not? Lockdown होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए? This is the topic. Are you ready for the same?
Yes, sir.
Start.
Yes, sir.
Start.
I
Sir,
think lockdown will not
Yes,
impose.
that we have very less
I
time.
think lockdown should impose.
Lockdown should be
Sir,
imposed.
yes, sir. I am with Mohan Bajpayee. I'm
You also saying lockdown should be imposed.
yes, sir. In my opinion,
There should
lockdown
be
be
order of
imposed.
lockdown. You also
Yes,
saying the
sir.
same. Okay. Okay, Mohan Bajpayee. Ruksar, what is your opinion? Pooja, Anjali Chaurasia, just give everybody opinion of that. Lockdown should be or shouldn't be?
Should be imposed.
Should not.
Lockdown should be imposed or shouldn't be imposed?
Should
Sir,
not
I
be
think
imposed, sir.
Sir, imposed means
Impose means
लगाना।
लगाना जाए, लगाया जाए कि ना लगाया जाए?
no, sir.
ना लगाया जाए. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
no.
lockdown, as you are seeing that nowadays partial lockdown is running. In that only colleges, coachings are just being closed.
Yes,
Rest
sir.
of the organizations are being opened. So such type of
Sir,
lockdown
it
is
is not fair. Sir, it is not fair that they impose lockdown only for schools, colleges, coaching centers. Lockdown will impose.
for
Lockdown
all.
should
You
impose
saying that
all.
lockdown
Yes,
should be
sir.
imposed
For
for
all.
all.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, nowadays partial lockdown is going on.
So this
Yes.
All
partial
the
lockdown is good or bad?
sir,
bad.
it is bad, sir. It is
It's a
bad.
bad. Means you think that coaching and colleges, whether you apply the fully lockdown or just open the colleges coaching. You were
Yes,
saying
sir.
same.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Sir,
You all are
fully
saying
lockdown.
fully lockdown should be, no partial lockdown.
Yes.
Why fully
Yes, sir.
lockdown is necessary? What's the reason behind this? Why fully
Sir,
lockdown is
because
necessary?
because cases is very is
So government,
Spread.
government
Sir,
should
Corona is on peak.
okay. So government should take a step against that. Why lockdown? Government can take action, as you can see that government can impose the penalty that a person who are not following the rules and regulation.
Y-
Why government is not taking
Yes,
steps?
sir.
Yesterday I have seen
Sir,
that I was going with the auto. In that auto, four persons are being seated in that. Why people are sitting in that of four persons? I was going in a kirana shop. There are that lots of person they were purchasing for the Navaratri. They were purchasing items for Navaratri. Nobody is using mask. Nobody is using sanitizer. So why
Yes, sir.
government is not taking action against that? Government must
sir,
take
it is
action
the
for that.
sir. I think it is
Sir,
the
we can't
responsible
blame
of
to government, sir.
We
yes,
can't
sir.
blame to
Yes, sir.
government. Okay,
It
you
is
are saying
our responsibility that we should take precautions.
And
It
we
is
should
good
take care
for
of
us,
ourselves.
not
okay.
not
Yes.
for government.
Okay,
It is good for us and
Pooja,
good for
Pooja,
society.
what is your opinion? What is your opinion? They are saying that it's our responsibility that we must take precautions. Are you?
Yes, sir.
We must, okay, as you people are saying that we must take precaution for that, government not responsible for that. One question is
Yes, sir.
that
Yes, sir.
it is written wear helmet, but how many percent do they wear? Why penalty of the helmet is? I'm saying again that wear seat belt. It's a moral duty of the person, but they do not wear. So why penalty? Penalty is
Because
being,
we are careless,
wait.
sir.
Penalty is only for that when we do not follow any rule and regulation. When we do not
Sir,
follow rule and regulation, for that penalty is. So government, I think government is responsible for that. Mohan Bajpayee, if you are not going ahead, it means father is responsible for that. If you are smoking, you are not leading in a right way, it means your father is responsible. It means he did not nurture you properly. Am I right or not wrong?
No,
It means,
sir, I think
Right, sir.
it is not right in all cases,
Yes.
sir.
how?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
instead of knowing all these people, don't follow these rules, sir.
Instead,
Sir, lockdown is only for
okay. When there is a punishment, people will follow the same. I accosted you people several times that don't speak in Hindi, and you might be knowing when I impose for the fine 5 rupees or 10 rupees, you people just start thinking that I'm to speak in English only. So if imposing fine can make you aware regarding the same. What do you think?
Yes, sir.
So I think fine must be. I think
Yes,
government
sir.
is
This is the
responsible for
right
the
way.
government is responsible for the same. Why government?
Yeah.
Why government is not taking a step to? I have seen that lots of the police people, lots of the medical people, lots of different government employees who all are corona warriors. They are not having the mask. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are just
Yes,
cutting the
sir.
challan of mask and they are not having mask. What is this?
Sir, only lockdown is for only coaching and colleges, not for election rallies.
Not for the election rally. How many percent do they use
Yes, sir.
the
Yes,
mask in
sir.
that election rally?
Yes, sir.
सर देयर इज मीम्स कोरोना अभी 18 साल का नहीं हुआ इसलिए सिर्फ कॉलेज में जाता है
Yeah,
हाँ,
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It
Yes, sir.
it is
हाँ,
पढ़
trending,
लिख के
sir.
बड़ा हो रहा है.
हाँ.
It is trending, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
government that college and colleges they do not give any profit to the government. That's why college
Yes,
and
sir.
colleges are closed because they
Yes,
do not give
sir.
any profit to government.
Sir, this
Non-profit.
meme is in trend, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
But sir, CHSL exams are conducted in
Uh,
lockdown.
In lockdown, it is
So
going to be conducted
so not
on
yes, sir.
25 on 25.
No, sir. From today,
No, sir.
12 to
16 or
19.
18.
Nee, 12.
Yes, sir.
12.
12 to 18.
Yes, sir.
From 12 to 18, CHSL exam is going to be conducted.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What
sir
is
lockdown will impose after 29 April
okay? Lockdown will impose after
Nee.
29 April. 29 April, why?
Because
April till-
Elections
yes,
are
sir.
over.
last phase of election 29
Okay.
Yes, sir.
They are waiting for the same.
Sir, I
Yes,
think
sir.
Yes,
so.
sir.
I think so, sir.
So how many month lockdown will be?
No
we
idea.
can't sir.
No idea, sir.
For 1 year or for 2 years?
Sir, I have
Sir,
sir, no
Sir,
idea.
question is that why India has been made a corona vaccine?
India has made corona vaccine and the people they are just it's being utilized now, and 4 days I think 4 days one Tikakaran vaccination program is